Stop wasting your money on overpriced, boxed-up amps that hide their cheap components inside a fancy plastic shell. Today, I'm showing you how to get massive sound and audiophile quality by building it yourself. I've tested a ton of these modules in my shop, and I've narrowed it down to the 5 best DIY amplifier kits you can grab right now. Whether you're building a desktop setup, a custom boombox, or a hidden garage system, these boards are the secret to pro-level audio on a budget. I'm ranking these from the solid entry-level stuff all the way down to my absolute favorite high-power beast. Just a heads up, prices on Amazon move fast, so make sure you check the description box below for the latest deals on all the featured DIY amplifier kits. Starting us off at number 5 is the TPA3116D2. This is the old reliable of the DIY world. If you're just getting your feet wet with soldering and circuit boards, start here. It's a tiny footprint but packs a punch for its size. I usually throw these into small bookshelf speaker projects. It runs cool, it's super efficient, and it's hard to kill. It's not going to shake the windows, but for a clean desktop setup, it's a winner. At number 4, we're going for that classic vibe with the 6J1 vacuum tube preamp kit. Look, digital is great, but nothing beats the warm, fuzzy glow of real tubes. This isn't just a board, it's a project. You'll be soldering resistors and caps, and when you flip that switch and those tubes start glowing orange, it's a massive flex for your desk. It adds that analog soul to your music that a standard chip amp just can't touch. Coming in at number 3 is the ZK1002T. This is where things get modern. It's got Bluetooth 5.0 baked right in, so you can stream straight from your phone. What I love about this one are the physical knobs for treble and bass. In my shop, I use this for testing speakers because I can tune the output on the fly without messing with an app. It's a rugged little board that's perfect for a portable Bluetooth speaker build. The runner-up at number 2 is the ZK-HT21. This thing is a monster. It's a 2.1 channel setup, meaning you get your left and right speakers plus a dedicated subwoofer output. If you want deep, chest-thumping bass, this is your board. It's got a built-in cooling fan because it moves a lot of current. I've built a few party coolers with this board, and it never breaks a sweat even after hours of cranking the volume. And the number 1 spot goes to the TPA3255. This is the king of the hill. If you want blow your hair back power and crystal clear high fidelity, this is the only board you should be looking at. It's built like a tank with massive capacitors and a heavy-duty heatsink. The sound floor is incredibly low, no hiss, no hum, just pure, raw power. In my opinion, this board outperforms pro amps that cost 10 times as much. It is the absolute best DIY amp kit on the market today. Building your own gear is the only way to go if you actually care about your sound. Don't forget to check the links in the description to see which one fits your next project. If this helped you out, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. I want to hear about your current setup. Are you rocking a custom build or still using a store-bought box? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.